Hi guys, this is Dr. P and today we'll solve a problem from Math EOC exam, this time a problem about statistics. So, which method is most likely to produce a random sample of 5 students from a school class? And I have here four options and I should select that one that help me to produce a random sample. What is a random sample and what it's all about here? So many times in real life, we need to find answers, and we can't interview all the members from a school club, by example. So that's why we choose to select a sample of students, a small number of students that are able to provide me a fair and accurate and unbiased answer. And why this method is important? Why these statistical methods are important? Because after the random sample, I draw some conclusions and then I extend this conclusion and I apply it in real life. So that's why, guys, I need to have a random sample that is representative for that group of students. So, what is a representative random sample or a fair random sample? Is a sample in that every student has an equal chance to be selected. So, every student should have the same chance. That's why it's called an unbiased sample. Shortly, we say that a random sample means a fair selection of the students because I want an accurate answer of my question. It's important to have a fair selection. On the opposite part, versus random sample are many times biased sample. And that's why we don't believe all the time statistics because we don't have all the time control about the sample that was used to provide that statistic. It was random or it was biased. So, what are bias samples? Bias samples are, by example, convenient based selection. I'm choosing some students because it's convenient for me. I save money, by example, I save time to make my survey, so that's why it's convenient for me. Favoritism based selection. I want to favor some students, and that's why I will choose my favorite students, by example. Volunteer based selection. It's very easy to say, hey, who wants to participate in this survey? And the volunteer will raise up and we will come next to me. But this is also bias because not everyone is volunteering in real life. Or again, one-sided based selection. So that selection that favor one-sided or another. So this bias sample are based or on unfair selection. So let's analyze now. A. We select 5 members who have brown hair. So of course this is convenient or could be one-sided selection. So it's not what I want. B. I am selecting 5 members who have raised the most funds for the club. This is also favoritism because I want to favor that members who worked more for the club. C. Selecting 5 club members from a hat containing the names of all members. So here in this hat I have all the names of all members. So here looks like every student has an equal chance to be selected. So finally, this could be my choice because on the first choice, brown hair, it's clear that not every student has the same chance to be selected. Those that raise money also, not every student has the chance to be selected. But when I have the names of all of them in a hat, then this could be a fair selection. But let's read the last option also, students who arrive last to a club meeting. This is also a convenient or a one-sided based selection, but it is